Oh hey, what's poppin' guys? My name is John Barker. I'm the award-winning pitmaster at Beach Bum Barbecue and the executive chef at Skull and Mortar. Let's not waste any time. Let's get straight to barbecue nachos, my entry into the 2021 Nacho Bowl. Stay to the end because I got a surprise for you guys, a little twist, a little turn. I don't know what this means.
Guys, we are going to start by smoking some queso. Now, this is going to be a much more basic recipe than we did not too long ago because we got a lot of stuff going on top of these, so we just don't need all the extra stuff. Now, if you want to see how I did it in the other recipe, I got that down below. Go ahead and click on that. Guys, don't waste a bunch of time trying to fancy cut this. Nobody cares. This crap is all going to melt together anyway. Like I said, we're going basic here, so I'm just using diced jalapeños out of a can. I want the juice, I want everything in there because I want the cheese to have something to melt into and thin out a little bit. We're also going to drop some spiced chilies in here. It's going to be good. Trust me on this one. It's going to add a depth of pepper flavor. Now we're just going to eyeball the evaporated milk here. You want it more thin, put in more. You want it thicker, put in less. It's pretty simple.
As far as beans go, you can make your own beans from scratch. There's gonna be so much crap on these nachos, I don't know that it's really gonna make that big of a difference. We're just looking for a nice burst of bean flavor here, and we wanna keep it baked beans, and the best baked beans you can buy in the store, my friends, are Bush's Baked Beans. Before we put these on the smoker, we're gonna hit the beans with a little bit of that Beach Bum Barbecue rub, just to add a little extra bang of that flavor. And if you want to bang that flavor, head over to skullandmortar.com and order yours today. Now we're going to throw these on the smoker. We're going to go ahead and run it up high because I'm going to try and get these done fairly quick. We don't want a whole lot of smoke blowing it out because we got a lot of smoky things going into this. So I'm going to run this at about 350 to 400 degrees until it's ready to go. As you know, that we're not going to use some store-bought chips for our nachos. Not today, my friend. We are going to take these tortillas. I have a video on how to make corn tortillas. We got it down below. You can start there if you want to make them completely from scratch. If not, buy some corn tortillas from the store.
Alright guys, the key is you want to hit these with salt as soon as you get them out while the grease is still wet and hot. Now you don't want to overcook these either. They're going to cook a little bit after you take them out of the grease, get them a nice golden color and pull them.
Alright guys, I just checked the smoker. Everything's ready to go. It's time to get our nachos moving. Now we're going to grab our chips. And we're just going to pile these chips on here. As many as we can get on the plate. If you've never had a fresh chip, you're missing out. Your whole life is a joke, it's a sham. It's time to get your life together and start enjoying fresh made chips.
Now just like my dad poured his first beer of the day at 8 o'clock in the morning, we're gonna pour this cheese queso all over these chips. Look at that. It's gluttonous, it's cheesy, it's creamy, it's freaking good. Look at that. Come on guys, let's put some beans on here. These damn beans all over here. Smoke these beans, we smoke these cheese, we deep fried these chips, and we need to have some fresh jalapeno to kind of cut through all those flavors. Damn it. Now whatever happens here as you're getting your jalapenos ready and you're gonna drop them right all over their nachos, when you're done, don't scratch your eyes, don't scratch your genitals, alright? Either one is a big mistake. They're great on your nachos, they're not great on your sensitive areas. Guys, now that we have our jalapenos piled on there, we need to start piling on some olives, only on half because my wife doesn't like them. You can put them all over if you want. And then we are going to top it with some pulled pork. This pulled pork has been warming up in its own fat, so it is juicy as possible. Look at that. Damn it. Now we are almost done. We need to get some freaking sour cream on here. Look at this thing. That's not enough. Come on, quit playing games. Yes, look at that amount of sour cream. We're not done yet. Just one more little dollop here. Just a little dollop on top of your mountain of nachos. Look at these freaking things. These aren't the best nachos of all time. I don't even know what to tell you. The final ingredient, the icing on the cake, if you will, is none other than that beach bum barbecue sauce, available only at skullandmortar.com for now. It might be available other places by the time you see this, I don't know. But go ahead and put some all over there.
All right, guys, let's take a bite of this. Let's get a little sour cream on that guy. Bro, if I can, for just 1 second, borrow a phrase from my childhood idol, Stone Cold Steve Austin, hell yeah. Those nachos are friggin' delicious. Guys, this is my entry into the nacho bowl. I don't even need meat on here, dude. Let me know how you feel about these nachos below. Give them a try, man. They're fire. You can put almost anything on nachos and it's gonna be a delicious. It's got a great smoky flavor. We got fresh, crisp chips. Hey, hit like, hit dislike. I don't really care. Hit one of them. Leave a comment down below. Head over to skullandmortar.com. Buy some rub, some sauce, a shirt, whatever, man. But get it in there. That being said, we have a surprise. This week, we're gonna have another video. That's right, 2 videos. This is not our only entry into the nacho bowl, my friend. It is not. We're gonna do peach pie nachos later this week. Holler at your boy, hit that subscribe, hit the bell. Don't miss out. I'll see you then.